hospital in Capiz. Siguro po, we recognize for most of the HPEP investments that we visited na manpower talaga is problema talaga siya. Not just in Capiz but in all of the provinces that we visited. So we only highlighted siguro po yung infrastructure discrepancies. Kumbaga, ito yung in-approve na plan ng HPEP for our facility. So yun yung kinonstruct. And then pagdating ng DOH for licensing, sasabihin nila kulang kayo ng ganito. So, mata-downgrade na naman sila. So yun yung hindi malinaw yung link between the HPEP itself and then the people who go there to check for licensing standards. Siguro yun. And then, we just have to probably make clear in the report na kung saan po namin i-attribute. Kasi multiple implementers throughout the years, like may DPWH, may LGU, so we will just clarify that sa report na lang po namin.
So if you have some certification of the analysis, much better, so that we could see
sige po.
for our policy